In this video, we'll demonstrate how to copy a location link in Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to copy location links in Google Maps and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's open Google Maps and imagine I want to share a random location in Canada. I'll simply zoom into the specific location on the map. Once there, to obtain the link for this specific location, I'll tap on the spot. Next, swipe over until you see the Share option. Tap on it. Now, you have a couple of options. You can directly copy the link by tapping Copy. Once copied, you can paste this link anywhere, in a text message, email, or on any messaging platform. This link will take anyone directly to the exact spot on the map and enable them to navigate there seamlessly. Alternatively, you can hit the Share button and send it via various platforms like text, email, Messenger, WhatsApp, and more. This way, you're easily sharing the link, allowing the recipient to access and navigate to the specific location through Google Maps. This straightforward process of copying a location link in Google Maps can be incredibly useful for sharing specific places or saving them for future reference. We hope this tutorial was informative for you. If you found it helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. For more tutorials and informative content, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.